Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be cutting my hair. Yes, I want to cut off my hair because I'm so tired of wanting to visit the salon to shave my side, because this side is always growing so fast, and I don't like it looking so bushy. Like, I don't like it when the hair grows out. I just like it so low as just what you see here. Yeah, so I just want it very low. I have to let me just wear same length. So now I'm going to be starting a new hair journey. Yeah, because I'm going to be getting rid of all this stuff. And so far my hair really grew. Like, the last time I did cut this part of my hair was let's say November last year. So I did cut it, and so this is the length. About, I don't know how many inches is this, so I've not really tried to measure it. So I'm going to cut it to this black where my dye stopped. I'm still going to dye my hair. Yes, I'm still going to dye it, but not now. I'm still trying to figure out which dye to use, which color I'm going to like rock. So for now, let me just get rid of this and wear a low cut, then start another new hair journey. Yeah, new hair journey. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along. Let's get straight into it. I'll use my scissors and I'll use this comb and also this comb. These two keeps the hair in place. And for my mirror, I think I'm gonna be using this. So I don't have a mirror for now. So now first, I already washed my hair. So first, what do I need to do first is section this hair. Let me just use my hand to pick it. What am I doing? Just have to cut it. What am I doing? But know what I am doing. Okay, I'll be fine. So guys, I have finished cutting my hair. So this is the end result. Like, I love it. I actually love it. Yes. So I am starting a new hair journey, so I'm gonna be growing this hair again. I may probably dye it, or I may not dye it. So it all depends. It all depends. So for now, just be growing my hair, and I'll be sharing you guys hair routine that I come up with. Yeah. Guys, this is the end result. I hope you like it. Actually, what I did was I dyed my hair. Yeah, I dyed it because you can see the video. When I finished, I still have some like gold patches on some part of my hair, and I wasn't liking it, so I have to get rid of it. Yeah, get rid of those patches, gold patches. I have to dye the hair to black. So actually, this is it, and I love it. Yeah, so I love the end result. It came out perfectly well. Yeah, actually came out perfectly well. So guys, I could not film when dyeing my hair because I kind of like messed up my hair, my hands, because I've not actually worked with a black dye before. So I thought it was the usual gold that I work with. You know, gold, I can use my bare hands and still. So this, I messed up my hands, my top. So I got angry. I just have to pause the video. Yeah, I have to pause the video. So hopefully I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.